Let's then extend our application. So now what we do here is we have a customer service, and in our customer service, we are registering our customers. So our customer service, we are creating here customer service, and we are calling a method register customers. And in our customer service, we have a dependency to the repository where we are saving our customer to the database. But here in our customer repository, we are just mocking saving to database. We are just printing custom saving customer and whatever customer names is here. So what we have here, we have two bins, right? So we are creating two bins. The first one is the repo, and it's a customer repository, and let's call it repo. And the second one is the service. It's a customer service, right? Like we are calling it a service. So what we need to do here is we need to inject customer repository into the customer service. There are several ways how we can do that. The first one and the easiest one is that they just use the constructor. So what we do here is we are using a constructor. We are injecting a repository bean repo into our service class here, right? Into our service bean. So let's run our application and see that indeed it works. Yeah, it works. And the second one is that what we can do is we can inject the repo bean into the service using we can inject using the field, right? Using the setter method. So here what we do is we are just changing one. So we are, instead of using the constructor, we are using a setter method to inject the repo bean into the service. So let's go to our customer service. Now we don't need this constructor. So what we need here is, and let's also remove the final here. So what we need here is we need a setter method for the repository, right? So now we are, in this case, we are injecting using this setter method. Let's also run it and see that it exactly works as we expected. Yes, it exactly works as we expected to work.